Hey guys, good morning. So this is basically the hostel that I stay for the past 2 days. It's like this. Yeah, this hostel is quite busy, so I didn't able to to vlog. And as you can see, a lot of people there. I don't know if it's raining outside or what, or they're waiting for something. Yeah, basically this is it. It's X-based hostel here in Sydney near to Darling Harbour. Nice, but I feel that it's very busy. Yeah, I like the wake up hostel more than this. But it's overall it's good. I don't know if the coffee in 7-Eleven is still $1. I didn't try it yesterday because I've been to several restaurants and after eating I had coffee. Yeah, mate, this is still $1. Like before, no changes. Sun is rising, no? Look at this. This is the independent coffee shop that I'm telling you. Yeah. Basically, they are just selling a coffee, some breads or pastry, and at 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock, they already close. Yeah. And there's a lot of that in here in Sydney. And yeah, I don't know, maybe people don't drink coffee after 3 o'clock. So this is Sydney. If you look at the people, they are not rushing. Yeah, they are just walking normally. Yeah, relax. So yeah, at the moment I'm here in the construction of the railroad for the tram. As you can see in there are still ongoing construction, but this part is good already. Yeah, but it's still closed, mate. And today we're going to try rejection therapy. Yeah, basically the goal is to be rejected. Yeah, but yeah, my goal is to be rejected. I will try it in several places. Yeah, I will ask people to take me a picture. Very easy, very simple. But there are some people that I don't know, man. I basically have a level of shyness. Like I am very shy to the looks of the people, especially if they are very good looking or very beautiful or looks very professional. Yeah. Yeah, it was nice. Yeah, that guy who took this picture look stern. He looks very stern that you cannot approach him, but I did it and he's nice. Yeah. The truth is we don't judge people by its look, but still people are like that, just like me. And it's normal. Hyde Park is nice, covered with trees. Oh, there's $1. Look. Well, that $1 is not for me. We leave that there. There is one guy coming. He's doing something like jogging. It will be awkward if I ask him to take picture of me. I disturb him. Yeah, I don't want to disturb him. This guy looks very professional. That one already is difficult for me, but I did it and I was not rejected. It's okay, it feels good actually if we are not rejected, but I really want to be rejected one time. Yeah, you know, if I'm going to be rejected and if that's happened all the time, it will make me strong. Yeah. Yeah, mate. Yeah, you can actually take picture of yourself, and that is called selfie. And most people knows that already, but you know, still I'm going to do this traditional that ask people to take me picture. Yeah. So, you know, that kind of thinking makes people why you need to ask me to take picture? You can do selfie, mate. Yeah, this lady coming, she's carrying a bag, and I will ask him to take picture. Oh, I didn't able. She suddenly looks at his watch, so that makes me think she's busy. Nice. Good for her. That electric skateboard is one of my options before, before buying my electric bike, but I don't like that. Looks dangerous, right? Yeah, we are now going to cross this. I don't know where is that, but we'll try to find it out, Mike. Now in Crow's Nest, there is a big construction going on. There's a lot of restaurants in here. I am now in this area where I'm going to meet my, basically I'm going to his restaurant, to the restaurant of my previous chef, and I'm going to ask him for a signature in one of my paper. Yeah, nice here, a lot of shops and restaurant. Yeah, done. So my mission is done. I don't know where I am going now. Maybe let's go and explore this first. So from here I can see that there's more shops and restaurant. Yeah, this maybe is the center for sure. Not supposed to get down in this place. I'm supposed to get down on the other side. Now I need to walk. Yeah, this is $10. Squid, beef, and rice. The squid is oily. I don't like oily. Nice. Yeah, there's the shoes that I bought. And you know, I forgot this camera here. And I come back and they gave it to me. Thank you very much, especially to that lady. She gave back to me this camera. Amazing. The lady asked me, "Can you stay here a bit and look at my shop, and I will take for you." Yeah, and she came back. That one? Okay. There we go again. Yo, finally, yeah, I just submitted my compliance. Yo, mate. This building has a 21 floor, and we'll see you later downstairs. Yeah, mate. I am now back to Central Station. Going back to Nelson Bay. Yeah, 2 days is not enough. I hope this rejection therapy that I just did will help me to overcome my shyness. Yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. Ciao.